My friend Craig. Say hi, Craig.
Hi.
Craig's going to teach me how to use the chainsaw. I'm really excited about this.
Maybe.
We'll see, right? Well, I know nothing about it, so anything you can teach me, I'm going to be smarter than I was. Does it use regular gas?
No, you have to mix gas for a chainsaw, just like for weed eaters and all that kind of stuff.
But it's not the same mix as a weed eater?
Yeah, they're all different.
I think I've got gas and oil in the shop too.
See, where's that? Go right here on the gas thing. It tells you what the mixture is. 40 to 1. I think my weed eater is a little bit different. But this is the 2-cycle
Okay.
engine oil, and then it has a chart on the back that gives you the ratios. 40 to 1 is
3 ounces of oil.
3 ounces of oil to 1 gallon of gas.
Okay. So you just like eyeball it, kind of?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, I don't see any measuring stuff out here.
Yeah. Well, I think this is 8 ounce.
Okay.
So I usually do, about half and half. Gets it close enough, I think,
Okay.
because I think my other is a 32 to 1.
Cool.
So it's close enough for it to.
That's actually a pretty chainsaw.
Hopefully it crank. I had no issues with it in a while.
I think it looks a lot better than the one in my shop. I'm recording this so I can play back and remind myself how to do it.
Most new ones have a primer.
Okay, like a lawnmower?
Yeah. We're going to pull that out for the choke. Start with. I don't want to hit you.
So when you do the handle, that's what makes the thing go around?
Yeah, this is trigger. That's like a safety feature where you can't pull the trigger any other way. You have to,
Okay, so if you were to drop it, it cuts off. So if you were to drop it, it cuts off.
well,
I mean, it doesn't cut off, but that
yeah,
stops it.
stop that. This one has a release here. If something were to hit, it would lock this, and then you have to release it. It's locked in place. If it were to hit, I guess, and you bump it, it would lock it, turn it. Any safety features in it. Separate back.
Cool. This looks doable.
All right, cut it right there, close to that one. Yeah, right there. Yeah. right. Yeah, cut that limb right there behind you, about right in there, or it's above the ground. There you go. Yeah, go ahead and cut it up. It'll be all right. Yeah, just cut it there. Yeah, you got them. All right, kind of step on it, hold it right there. Hit it. Yeah, or whatever length you think you can handle, you know, then you'll, yeah, we're gonna cut it from the other side.
I'm a project planner. I love it. These are my outdoor projects that I had planned to do this summer. The ones that have a black check or writing on them are ones that I actually did. Today I will be able to mark this one off. My friend Craig came over and taught me how to use a chainsaw, and I actually did use it. Yay! I'm so happy. The rest of these I will probably have to work on a little bit before it gets too cold. I'm going to actually do this one tomorrow. And I actually did most of that one, and those two will have to wait till the spring, as well as the weed eater. But I'm so excited about this. So nobody died. We got some brush cut down. Thank you, Craig. You're a good chainsaw teacher. Thanks a bunch. Say bye, Craig.
Bye.
Say bye, Craig.
Bye, Craig.
Thank you. It doesn't look like a lot, but we were able to cut up maybe 3, maybe 4 trees that had fallen on the ground and just stack them up to have a bonfire on the winter solstice. I like to have a bonfire on the changing of the seasons like that. And there's still some more that I need to pick up and put on top of here. This is just what we drug up before we need to stop and go eat lunch. And since Craig is always mocking my healthy eating, I took him to Panera Bread for healthy food. I'm very, very happy to have gotten these fallen trees off of the ground, because what happens if you do have a fire and you have old dead trees that are on the ground, they just act as conduit for the fire just to run to a whole new area. So it's quite dangerous in the woods to have fallen trees like that are old. Very happy to have these up. Thank you for watching. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, share the video. If appropriate, leave your comment below and give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.